Good luck. Museum baseball. We'll do thirds of it. We'll do 4 boxes tonight, 4 tomorrow, and 4 on Friday. 4 tonight, 4 tomorrow, 4 on Friday. Museum baseball. So we'll do the bottom over here. Left side, middle side, right side. Left, middle, or right. Well, actually, this will just randomize. I'll do it. Left, middle, right. Left, middle, right. Left, middle, and right. Flip that one there, flip that one there. Good luck, guys. Left, middle, right. First time, got the right side. Second time, got the right side. Third time, sticking with the right all 3 times. Going with the right. Going with the right. And then we'll just go up here. We'll put, that was the left. We'll go L. L, L, it's kind of like a U, L on those for the left side, so like tomorrow night we're going to do the left in the middle, then M, 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 M for that one. So way tomorrow night we can pick it out left or middle. Good luck, guys. Museum. Box number 1. Good luck, guys. Brand new Museum baseball. Got a Carlos Correa. That is a canvas. Correa canvas. Your on-card auto 75 Angels Rod Carew. On-card Rod Carew for the Angels. Rod Carew for the Angels. Your 3-base Hunter Pence, Eric Hosmer, Ripken Jr. for the Orioles. Got a World Baseball patch, 3-colored, number to 75, Carlos Martinez. That would be a St. Louis Cardinal, right? 3-colored to 75, Carlos Martinez. Got Ichiro Kentamaeda, Dansby Swanson, and Javi Baez. Quad, number 299, Mets, David Wright. Quad for the Mets, 99, David Wright. Got number 299, Julio Urias, the Dodgers at 99. You got Griffey, Syndergaard, and Lindor. Dual number 299, Dodgers, Jack Peterson. Dual jersey auto, 299, Dodgers, Jack Peterson. Got Gary Sanchez, Ted Williams, Mark McGuire, and number to 150 on the back, Randy Johnson. Seattle Mariners finishing out box number 1. Number 2. Box 2. Box number 2. On card Yanks, $2.99 Aaron Judge. $2.99 for the Yanks, Aaron Judge. Got Jacob DeGrom, Juan Moncada, Sandy Koufax, and the 99 Ben Tendi for the Red Sox. Got triple relic auto 99 Texas Cole Hamill. Cole Hamill. Got Joey Votto, Roger Clemens, Jake Arrieta, and Ryan Braun. Three-color patch, 50, the Braves, Julio Teheran. Julio Teheran for the Braves. Got Kenta Maeda for the Dodgers, canvas. Got Don Mattingly, Freddie Freeman, number 250, Adrian Beltre. Got quads for the Red Sox to 25, Hanley Ramirez. Hanley Ramirez for the Red Sox. Got a Honus Wagner, Matt Carpenter, Jose Bautista, and Addison Russell. Finishing out box number 2. Finishing box 2. Number 3. Something in that bottom drawer. Box number 3. Thank you. Box 3. Got a New York Yankees two-colored patch 20 to 35, Dylan Betances. Dylan Betances. Got a Alex Bregman, Jackie Robinson, Tulowitzki, and Trey Turner. I've not seen any Tampa Bay stuff. On card, Houston Astros, $2.99, Uleski Jarrell. Uleski Jarrell. Got your canvas Orioles, Manny Machado. Got a Corey Kluber, Chipper Jones, and number to 99, Machado. Another Yankee, number to 299, Luis Severino. Got a David Wright, Almides Diaz, Lou Gehrig, and a base Machado. Here's now number 3. You got quad patches, number 2. Quad patches. I don't see a number. Number to 75 on the back. You've got reds, 3-colored Vato, 2-colored Phillips, 2-colored Hamilton, and 2-colored Duvall. Number 75 for the Reds. Quad patches, Cincinnati Reds. Got a McCutcheons, George Brett, Mookie Betts, and Hunter Renfroe. Last box, and we'll move on to Prism Football from a couple years ago. Box number 4, finished out Museum for Wednesday night. Got number 215, there's your jumbo auto patch, I believe. 3-colored Rays, Evan Longoria. Number to 15, Tampa Bay, there's Tampa Bay for you. Evan Longoria, number to 15. Got Ozzie Smith, Albert Pujols, Josh Donaldson, 99, Bo Jackson for the Royals. On-card Hall of Famer, number 275, the Braves, Tom Glavine. Tom Glavine for the Braves. Got a Altuve, Babe Ruth, Nolan Ryan, and Ben Tendy. Got a World Baseball, number 250, the Royals, Eric Hosmer. 3-color patch and 3 jerseys. Number to 50, Eric Hosmer for the Royals. Got a Goldschmidt, Adam Jones, Chris Sale in a Red Sox uniform, and number to 150, Ripken Jr. for the Orioles. Got a barely 2-colored patch, numbered to 10. You've got Adam Jones for the Orioles. Orioles and Adam Jones. Got a canvas, Altuve for the Astros, David Dahl, Mike Trout, Hank Aaron. Finishing out Museum Baseball tonight. Museum Baseball.